game heads? Welcome back to another video. Sorry, I'm getting on my bed. Okay, I'm watching How to Transylvania, but that's okay. I found this game that's been trending. And found this spot right here that has like a lot of food. Can I tap on it? No? Okay. So, like, there's this new game that I found. It's been, like, trending. This is supposed to be, like, ASMR? Is there music? Okay, no. How about let's just do that? Fried chicken. Ooh, I can get that. Birria tacos. Okay, could get that. Snacks. Ooh, that looks good. Shut up, they have mozzarellas. Oh my god. Love mozzarella sticks. Probably guys can't hear me if I have this on. Sorry. I just had to. Okay, and then for my soup, I can do 2 times spicy. Oh, spicy. And 1 more mozzarella. There we go. Place order. Where should I put this? Okay, right here. Okay, so I put that there. Set this up. Oh, that's so cool. Birria tacos can go here. Okay. Where do I put this? Oh shoot, I probably have no space. Oh no. Okay. Dang it, I can't leave it there. I have a little space over here. Oh, man. Okay, so we're just gonna start with this. Let's get some fried chicken. Let's go up a little more. Fried chicken. Ooh, there's sauces? Okay, bet. Ooh. Okay, what's this? Probably mayo. Oh, cheese. The cheese pull. Let's get my birria tacos. Oh no, that's my food. Ooh. And guys, I am getting an iPad, so Apple one. You can subscribe to my channel. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing Ghostface things, but actually, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah. please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I haven't decided what the name is yet, but I'm just telling you guys. Alright, let's go to another table. Oh wait, we could clear table, I think. Okay. Let's put it here. That one here. Ooh. Mozzarella time. Oh, good. Let me just have them in my inventory. These has to be like the Cheesecake Factory or the Chili's. Comment down below on this video what should I do next for like another game. Ooh, ranch. Wait, is that ranch? Yeah, ranch sauce. I love mozzarella with ranch. Mozzarella sticks with ranch. Chef's kiss. Amazing. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, wait, what happened? Narwhal. Okay, that's, as I was saying, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. What? And I hope you guys loved this video. Bye! See you in the next one.